just
I
lucky.
don't need intermittent fast going into podcasts anymore.
No, definitely not. And as soon as we're hanging up here, we got a couple more recipes to share with our listeners. But so sorry if you're fasting. So if you picked up on that, I am doing Carnovember, but I am also adding herbs and we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Well, he's doing Carl November.
Yeah, that's right. Well, guys, this is awesome. Thanks and good luck with your book, Real Food Keto. And we want to encourage people to go out and buy it. And I guess, can we buy it on Amazon, or do you have a special affiliate link you want to share, or give one away? Or
well, we can certainly give one away if you want to. But realfoodketo.com is the website where we have the hub for everything. Christine actually has a nutritional therapy practitioner website that we developed for her. What's your business website?
Rebootingyournutrition.com.
nice.
And then I'm at livinglevita.lowcarb.com. Just Google my name to find me. But yes, the book will be everywhere books are sold. And then we just found out it's going to be in all U.S. Costco stores Black Friday week. So all through the holiday season, you'll be able to pick it up right there at Costco.
And it's thick and heavy, so make sure that you have an adequate backpack with which to transport it. Or if if you're flying on a plane, make sure your baggage isn't over. But yeah, it's a great book, and the quality is amazing.
Thank you so much. We're so proud of it.
Thank you guys.
All right, we'll see you later, dudes. Well, there you go. There's some stuff that I hadn't thought about before in there.
Yeah, good luck to Jimmy and Christine on this, their first book. I'm sure you'll find it in all good bookstores and at Costco near you if Jimmy is good.
Yeah, great. Okay, well, are you hungry? Feeling peckish?
Yeah, I'm a little bit peckish. What do you got, Carl?
Well, I think it's time for recipes.
Yeah, Carl, what do you got?
All right. I've got a mishmash of different recipes that I've already done on earlier shows, but I'm going to put them together for something really awesome, which is a patty melt burger. I used to love patty melt burgers on grilled rye, with bacon and some onions and melted cheese, but I'm going to amp this up a little bit and keto-fy this. So the burger is, I've done this before, butter poached burger. You get a small saucepan that's just big enough to, a little bit bigger than the burger that you're going to put in it. Put a stick of butter in there, melt it on low heat, very, very, very important, low heat. And with the burger itself...
So it's like a confit burger. You confit in butter.
Absolutely. With the burger itself, I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to the beef and mash all that up before I make the burger. It just is a better way to season the meat than to just put it on top. And then poach it in this butter for a few minutes on each side. You're going to need to flip it over and until it's done. And literally maybe 5-6 minutes, it's done. And what's great about it is it's a gentle cooking. There isn't going to be any searing, right? So it's very moist and delicious. And of course, butter. So
yeah, everything goes back to butter.
Right. So now we're going to make oopsie bread. And the only difference that we're making with this oopsie bread from the recipe that we posted before is we're going to add caraway seeds. Caraway seeds are the flavor in rye that really gives it that rye flavor. And if you can't get rye, you can't use the rye grain, but the caraway seeds give it that hint of, wow, this is kind of like rye bread.
Sure.
You're going to make some bacon in the oven, of course, because that's going to go on top.
That's the best way to make bacon.
Yeah, and we're going to caramelize some chopped onions, but we're only going to use about a tablespoon of those because you don't want to have too many onions, especially if they're caramelized. Sugar content. Just be careful.
Yeah.